Welcome back to my channel, everybody. My name is Septian. If this is your first time here, I review true wireless stereo earbuds and in-ear monitors. And today I'm going to be talking about the Lypertek PurePlay Z3 2.0. Now, the price, I didn't pay for them. These were sent to me by my good man, El Jefe Reviews. But on Amazon, you can get these. You got 3 tiers. So the entry level is $49. The premium, these are $89, and the high ends are $199. Sheesh. Now I'm gonna do a quick unboxing, show you what's inside. Pull back this flap, and also it says right here on the flap what's inside. So you get the stereo earbuds, get the charging case, small, medium, and large silicone tips, some foam tips, medium size, USB Type-C cable, and a quick start manual. So you open them up, the earbuds will be in here, but they're in this case. I'll put that to the side. Now over here, there's a little flap. Here's a quick start guide. And here is a card telling you thank you and how to reach Lypertek if you need to get some customer support. And put that back in here. Now, pull up this styrofoam and you get the charging cable and the silicone tips all in this box. So open this up. Here's USB Type-C cable, and there's some more styrofoam, and these are the tips. So you got small, large, the medium silicone tips, and I got the medium tips in here. There we go. There's medium. Now the medium silicone tips come on the earbuds by default, but I took them off. You'll see why in a minute. I'll put all of this to the side, and let's go ahead and talk about the features. This box won't be difficult. There we go. Okay. Put that all back in there. Now, features. Lypertek made it easy for me because they put pretty much all of them on the back of the box. So, you get 70 hours of total playtime. Bluetooth 5.2 that supports SBC, AAC, and Qualcomm aptX codecs. CVC 8.0 noise reduction when you're on phone calls. IPX7 waterproof. Auto pairing. Fast charge, which is give you 15 minutes, will give you 2 hours of playtime. I'll talk about that more in the battery life. You get button controls. You get wireless charging. As you can see here, these do charge wirelessly. Put it on my anchor pad and turn it up so you can actually see it. But they're already pretty much fully charged. You get a 6mm graphene dynamic drivers in each earbud. And these earbuds are supported by the app called Pure Control app for iOS and Android. So that is a plus. Now, I did not think I would have to mention this in 2021, but I've been seeing a lot of comments on other reviewers who do earbuds, and I've seen a couple on mine about whether or not earbuds work individually. So let me just put it like this. Every earbud that I reviewed on my channel can be used individually. Every last one. When I say stereo mono mode, that's what that means. Mono, root word, is Latin for mono or mon, like monosyllable, one, monarch, one ruler, monopoly. You get the idea. Now, never thought I'd have to say that in 2021. Wow, okay. So stereo mono mode is supported on these. You can use one earbud or you can use 2. It's up to you. Now, that's out the way. Since these have CVC 8.0, let me go ahead and give you a mic test in a quiet environment. I'll be right back. It's out. This is a quick mic test of the Lypertek PurePlay Z3 earbuds in a quiet environment. I got the window closed, got the door closed. So leave a comment down below and tell me what you think of the sound. Now let's move over to the fit and the design. Now as you can see on the outside of the case, it is covered in plastic. It's got a matte band that goes all the way around the case. It also has like a little lanyard that you can use. I guess you can tie this to your a belt loop or something. or your bag or your keys. On the back, you got USB Type-C charging port. And on the front, you have 4 LED indicator status lights for the battery. Now, as follows: 1 is 0 to 25, 2 is 25 to 50, 3 is 50 to 75, and 4 lights means you have 75 to 100% battery life. Now, the lid on the case, it's a little flimsy. It's loosey-goosey because it's made out of plastic. Now, it's got a rounded oval shape to the case, and inside you get the earbuds, and these do have button controls. You can hear that. Now, the buds are a bit chunky. They look just like the Soundpeats T2 earbuds, or a little smaller than the Soundpeats Sonic earbuds. And as you can see, I got the SpinFit CP360. They got the green band around the nozzle, which means these are the medium, which fits my ears perfectly. But in my experience, the foam tips that come with them fit even better. So yeah, they look pretty nice. They fit good in the ear. They don't stick out or protrude that much. And the button controls don't give me any type of discomfort. It doesn't push them deeper into my ears when I use them. So the controls, you'll be happy to know that these control everything. And that goes for pause play, previous track, next track, volume up, volume down, answering and ending calls, enabling your voice assistant. And they also have a cool control. So if you long press on either earbud, it'll go into what is called ambient sound. So half of A and C, these don't have active noise cancellation on them. I checked and I couldn't find it, and it doesn't work because it doesn't say anything about that in the quick start manual or anywhere I could any article I could find on the internet. So, but they do have an ambient sound feature, and the feature is it's fully transparency mode. It lets in everything. You can be able to hear, you know, cars, little engines, people talking. It works pretty well. It's not that bad. I mean, these are some really good earbuds. I mean, they come packed with some features. Wow. Battery is, you get about 10 hours on a single charge with average use, based off of using the SPC audio codec. These go all the way up to Qualcomm aptX, and in my experience, or in my testing, I got about 8 hours at about 75 to 80% with Qualcomm aptX, because I listen to my music a little bit louder. The charging case provides 70 hours of playtime and 7 recharges. Fast charge with the case is 15 minutes of charging inside the case will give you an extra 2 hours of playtime. Let's say you're at 70% battery life on the earbuds. You put them in the case for 15 minutes and they should be halfway charged, or halfway to 100. Now the sound quality. Now this is the crown jewel of these earbuds. Now with the app, you can customize the sound with the EQ settings. So they'll sound, you can personalize it any way you want. So the app works pretty much like Soundcore's app, where you can kind of customize the sound to your preference. So the sound quality, in one word, is dynamic. You can get good bass, you can get mellow mids, or you can get high mids, you can get some sharp or harsh treble, or you can have it kind of go down. So sound quality is really up to you. Every music genre that I've used, from rap, R&B, rock, jazz, everything sounds perfect. Everything sounds smooth. Or if I want to, I can boost it up, make the bass sound boomy and punchy, and get that really good like sub bass response. So to compare these earbuds to earbuds that I've used in the past, I am going to have to go with, let's see here. Should I compare these to the Live P3s? I mean, these are a little better, but they're kind of close. I mean, they both have wireless charging, app support. They both have a transparency mode, and they both come with a ton of features. So between these two, they're both kind of the same, just made by a different company. Soundcore has an app where you can customize the sound. The Lypertek PurePlay I speak English. The PurePlay Z3 2.0s, they have an app where you can customize the sound. They also have really good battery life. I would go with these if you want to, I don't know, get on a flight, maybe go from LAX to New York. These would probably be your earbuds you want to have. Now, the Soundcore Lypertek P3s, nothing wrong with these earbuds. They work flawlessly. They both do. So it just really depends on the price. Well, actually, no, the price is even the same. These are pretty much identical. And like I said, just made by different companies. These are $89. These are $79 on Amazon. So in conclusion, I am going to use Lypertek's motto: no compromise on the sound or the fit, comfort, durability, or reliability. So this is been it for the review of the PurePlay Z3 2.0. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and share, and thank you for watching.